Hello guys, my name is Outdoor Hater MCPE here from Mr. Redstone or Hater MCPE. I don't know, two of those channels would all have this kind of video, so don't claim copyright, seriously. Whatever. So this is the combination lock redstone creation. So let's try this. So you need the iron frame. So what you need, 64 plus blocks of your choice. And one iron door, 3 iron frames, 3 arrows, 3 comparators, redstone torches, 4 repeaters, 60 plus redstone dust. So first build a wall that is 3 blocks high. So I'm gonna get this and 3 blocks high and turn 11 blocks long. Let me try to see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. There we go. And put these on here. Oh wait, make a door right over here after the first one. Okay, so here's this. Now get out an iron door. And get your iron frames and place it after about 1, 2, first one here, then another one here, and another one here. There we go. So it's about 3 blocks after the iron door placed. You might do like that. So yeah, and then you will need arrows. Yep, that's the main point. The most main point of the automatic the stuff. So I'm gonna make it like that, and one like this and one like that. Still like that, and behind this I will use the lime wool and place them behind the iron frames. So, and then place down the comparator. There we go. Then it's all light on. Each comparators are light on. So what you should do, you should place down yellow blocks on these comparators. So make sure it isn't on top of it, because I don't even want to activate it yet. So you need to do like about how much is it? How much? I forgot. How much was it? Oh, 9 blocks. 9 blocks. Yeah, 9 blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And another one here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There we go. And another one here. Last one. Come on. Oh, jeez. Okay, now place down your redstone dust on top of these. Okay. Good. Not good. Not that bad. So we have that. And we have this. Oh, this one. And then we're gonna remove the so we would make this middle one into an 8 block, and here to 3 blocks, because that's until the blocks height are. So this is gonna be 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Break here. Yeah, break it away. So I think that's that. So place down your redstone torches behind them. So I'm gonna place my redstone torch. Okay, that's good. Simple as that. So next you would need, wait a second guys, I need to put off my jacket. Oh yeah, put off my jacket. So so that was really embarrassing. Place down the redstones underneath where the blocks are until the blocks are, so not where the redstone torches are, but oh yeah, until the redstone torches are. So you guys could see on top of the redstone torch, and oh, this is really hard, guys. Seriously, do it like that. Yeah, just about that. Simple as that. And then use your repeaters, and put these here. Oh yeah. And then make these redstone dust go until 9. So this only has to go 1. Sorry, I'm very sorry. 1. And this has to go this much, and this has to go tons. So let me just put that there. Okay, so this combination block is pretty simple, but pretty not too good. So you guys can see I just connected these into one. Next, make 2 redstone dust going out, and make 1 going out like that. And then place down a repeater right there. Then place down these redstones before it reaches the wall, and then break down these 4 blocks and the 2 blocks under these bridge oak planks, and then what was it? Place these here, and then at the moment the redstone. Wait, what are you doing here? Well, so you guys could see. As simple as that. Wait, I did it wrong. Did I? I think I did it wrong. Did I really just do this wrong? Was it about this much? I'm struggling on redstone so badly. Wait. So this was here. Oh! It was here. Okay. So I needed to place a repeater over here. Okay. Sorry, guys. Put that there. Oh yeah, there we go. So it was like that, and then I'm doing some mistakes, tons of mistakes, and then wait, like that, and then put the repeater here, and put these here. And place this repeater before it. Let me just cover that up. Put that there. Okay. That worked as that. So what it should do is before after 2 blocks after here, break that, and then place down. I'm gonna break 2 blocks. Yeah, 2 blocks out. And then I'm going to place down a pink or a magenta wool here. And place down a redstone torch here. Oh wait. Sorry. Oh, what's up with me today? It was all right. Oh my. Oh, what's up with me? What's the real wrong with me today? Put that there. Put that there. And put that there. There. Put it right here. Put that there. And make the repeater come here. Okay, simple as that. There we go. Now it will open. Yay! So it's like that. Now this is fully working. So I'm gonna now try this out. So if I do this wrong, there we go. See, it works. It works. Completely works. So if we say that all of these are incorrect, so it was this was up, this was this side, and this was this side. Yep, we made it. And why is there a witch in? Whoa. Hey, witch. Bye, witch. Bye, witch. Die, witch. There we go. So yeah, this was the combination lock of using item frames in Minecraft Pocket Edition. If you guys enjoyed, make sure to subscribe for more Minecraft Pocket Edition videos. You could, of course, decorate this if you want. And see you guys. Peace out. Bye-bye.